4 children each make a pattern by folding paper and punching holes through all the layers. Here is Duong's pattern. Which one of these is Duong's folded paper? Again, this is a visualization problem and is very difficult to describe if you aren't able to really see what's going on inside your mind's eye. One thing we can note is that these dotted lines are where the paper was folded, and if you pay very close attention, you'll realize that the piece of paper originally would look something like this. It would have a square with these edges here. Actually, we'll orient this as best we can in the same orientation as used in our diagram here. The folded edges are these ones here. And these edges here, represented with these folded bits of paper on the diagram, are actually free. So, we can tell that with these corners here being those that are folded and include paper, the holes in the circle closely match up to what should be behind here. Folding up the paper will give you circles that go through that look a bit like this. Again, looking at this square in the pattern, because it's the one that has the folds along here and the free edge at the top right. Now, this diagram that I've sort of drawn matches up most closely to B, and that is indeed our answer for this question. The answer here is B.